3 pi over 6. I've tried this a few times already and keep going wrong. So I'm going to write out, first of all, a big long table of values. And I'm going up in pi over 6s. I'd normally go up in pi over 2s, but I divided by 3 to get that. And what I've then done is I've put it all on the calculator as we did before. I've got a big table of values here going up in pi over 6s. And it starts fine. That's at 1, or rather a here. And then it gets down to 0. And the issue then is it goes negative. Now, when we're plotting these polar coordinates, we don't want anything to be negative. So because this one's negative here, we're going to have no graph from there to there. It's then back to 0 again. It goes out to 1 and back to 0. And then here it goes negative. So I've got no graph from here to here either. And then we're happy with this bit here. It goes 1 and then 0 and minus 1 again here. No graph from there to there, back to 1 again to begin with. So let's put these as a couple of lines on here. So we're happily going up to pi over 6. Now it starts at 1, or rather a here, and then it loops back to 0. So it goes down to here like this. There is no graph here until it gets to pi over 2 again at here. This is pi over 2, and it starts here. Now, the graph's perfectly happy now. It goes all the way out to 1, and then all the way back to 0 again by the time it gets to 5 pi over 6. 5 pi over 6, sort of about here. So what is it doing? It's starting at 0. It's going out to 1 and back again there. Now there's no graph for this bit here until it starts again at 7 pi over 6 at 0. And so 7 pi over 6, it's now going out to 1 and then back again. No graph, no graph, no graph, out to 1 and then back again. Well, on the third video, that's the best that I've done it. Because it's all here, we could actually see it on the calculator. So menu, back to the graph here, and actually try and draw this thing, and we've got that little shape there. We can zoom in and out to that to try and get it. It's only slightly elongated because of the axis there, but there's the bit there. Notice there's no graph in this part at the top here because that's when it's all 0 down the bottom there.